Inheritance tax is the tax which the government levies on your estate after you've died. The current threshold is £325,000, and this is often referred to either as the inheritance tax allowance or the nil rate band. In addition to the nil rate band, the government have brought in a new allowance from the 6th of April 2017 called the residence nil rate band. The residence nil rate band is an additional inheritance tax allowance which will allow families to pass further value over to their beneficiaries. The new residence nil rate band is coming into effect from 6th of April 2017 and will provide an additional inheritance tax allowance of up to £100,000 in the tax year 2017 to 2018. Thereafter, it will increase by £25,000 over the next 4 years. If any part of the residence nil rate band allowance is not used in full by your estate, then it can be claimed by the estate of your surviving spouse or surviving civil partner following their death. In order to qualify for the residence nil rate band in full, your estate has to be valued at £2 million or less on your death, and you have to have owned your own home or a share in it, and this has to be a property which you have lived in. In addition, you have to be leaving the property to a descendant of yours, either a child or a grandchild, but that can include stepchildren, adopted children, and any child that you have been appointed a guardian over. If your estate is valued at more than £2 million, then the allowance will be tapered. The residence nil rate band applies automatically to your estate following your death, but it would still be a good idea to review any will that you've already written to make sure that any tax planning provisions within it take account of this new allowance. For more advice about the residence nil rate band and other inheritance tax allowances that might be appropriate to your circumstances, you should speak with a specialist wills and probate solicitor.